Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes.
Let's learn the step-by-step gram staining practical procedure using the methanol fixation method. Why methanol fixation instead of heat fixation? Methanol fixation is preferred because it prevents distortion of bacterial cell morphology. It reduces the risk of aerosol formation. It preserves delicate structures more effectively. It ensures better adherence of the smear to the slide. It minimizes overheating damage compared to flame fixation. Requirements. For this procedure, we need methanol in slide staining bottles, clean glass slides, a staining stand, 3 spirit lamps, droppers, bacterial isolates, a gram staining kit, a marker for labeling, and distilled water. Smear preparation. Let's begin. First, light the 3 spirit lamps. If you are working in bulk, label all slides properly using a marker. Using a dropper, place a small drop of distilled water onto the slide. You can perform 2 smears on a single slide if needed. Now, take your bacterial plate and open it near the flame. Sterilize your inoculation loop by heating it until red hot. Allow it to cool by touching the agar surface. Pick a single, well-isolated colony. Make sure to select only one bacterial colony. Transfer it to the water drop and mix gently in a circular motion. Tap lightly to create a uniformly distributed smear. After completing the smear, sterilize your loop again before placing it back or proceeding to the next sample. Repeat the same process to prepare smears for all your isolates. Methanol fixation. Now we proceed to methanol fixation. Take the methanol staining bottle and place the slides inside carefully. The bottle contains grooves to prevent slides from touching each other. Allow the slides to remain submerged in methanol for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the slides and let them air dry. The methanol will evaporate, leaving the smear fixed onto the slide. Gram staining procedure. Now let's begin the staining process. Place your slides on a staining stand. Make sure there is a container underneath to maintain cleanliness. You can use a wash bottle or tap water for rinsing. Step 1. Crystal violet. Apply crystal violet stain evenly to cover the smear. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, gently wash off the stain with water and remove excess droplets. Step 2. Iodine mordant. Next, apply iodine solution evenly over the smear. Allow it to react for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, wash off gently and remove excess water. Step 3. Decolorization. Now, apply the decolorizer, either acetone or ethanol. Let it flow over the smear until the runoff becomes clear. This step should take approximately 5 to 10 seconds only. Do not over-decolorize. Immediately rinse with water and remove excess. Step 4. Safranin counterstain. Finally, apply safranin to the smear. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash off gently and remove excess water. Slides ready. Your gram stain slides are now ready for visualization under a compound light microscope. Microscope visualization. First, let's briefly understand the microscope. A compound light microscope consists of eyepiece, ocular lens, objective lenses 10 times, 40 times, 100 times, stage adjustment knobs, coarse and fine focus knobs, light source.
If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated.
Now, let's begin visualization. Take a notebook to record bacterial shape, color, and arrangement. Apply a drop of immersion oil onto the smear. Place the slide onto the stage. Use the 100 times oil immersion objective lens. This is the only lens used with oil. Now, bring the stage upward carefully until the lens touches the oil. Look through the eyepiece and slowly adjust the stage using the coarse knob. Once you see a slight image, switch to the fine focus knob. Adjust gently until a clear image of bacterial cells appears. And there you have it, a perfectly visualized gram stain slide.
While observing under the microscope, always record your results in a structured format. Note the sample ID, gram reaction, bacterial shape, arrangement, and color to ensure accurate interpretation. You can grab our microbiology study and practical tool app right from the Play Store. This app is packed with all the procedures you need for the lab, from stain counters to molecular chemical calculators. It's got everything you could possibly need all in one place. Identify the bacteria based on their shape, arrangement, and staining color such as Kochi or Bacilli, arranged in clusters or chains, and appearing purple for gram-positive or pink for gram-negative.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button. Thank you!